I made $500,000 by the age of 21 selling one simple PDF guide. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it so you can just copy me. You see, this is what no one's telling you right now. I was broke as a joke, folding burritos, working a part-time job, balancing that with university, and I had zero tech skills when I first made that simple product. And that's why it took me months to actually build that product. But now everything has changed because of recent releases and AI tools that you can get started with for free. And so right now, I'm going to show you the exact system of how you can get there using AI to do 90% of the work for you. Now, about 2/3 of the way through today's video, I'm even going to show you one strategy that I use to turn a $27 PDF into $197, $497, and eventually high-ticket digital product sales that pay $1,000 of sales that sell like hotcakes. So first, we're jumping into this tool called Allen AI. If you don't have an account yet, you can get started for free using the link down below. It's a secret weapon that changes everything. So I'm going to head over to Product Builder. This is where the magic happens. You just simply type in any prompt. A prompt basically means a 2-sentence description of what exactly you want your PDF product to be, and it will make it in literally 2 minutes. So here, let's create something in the relationship niche. Relationship niches are evergreen because people always want to find love, improve love, recover from broken love, right? It's an evergreen niche. So I'm going to type in here, create a 30-day marriage revival guide for men feeling disconnected from the wife. And with 5-minute bonding exercises, word-for-word conversation scripts, and weekly intimacy challenges that rebuild attraction. It includes specific action steps, message templates, and date ideas under $20. And watch this. The moment I hit enter, it's going to generate a completely detailed, new, fresh PDF. Look at all the chapters, the actionable advice, the exercises ready for you to sell. Let's go ahead and do another one. The 30-day Alpha Transformation for Men fitness program, okay? Or the Entrepreneur's Guide to $10,000 months for business. The possibilities are literally endless. So once we have the actual PDF, let's make it a little bit more professional. We're gonna head over to Canva. The free version works perfectly. Click on templates, search ebook cover templates. Find one that matches your vibe and click it. Now here's the truth. Your cover is going to determine whether people buy or they scroll right past it. So we gotta make the cover irresistible. So perfect. I'm gonna give you this one pro tip here. Customize the colors that match your brand. So click on the image here and adjust the colors, all right? For me personally, I like black and orange. That's kind of my brand. You know, I own a $400,000 orange Lamborghini Urus. So I'm gonna pick black and orange here. Now, add your type. Hit the T for text and then add a heading. Now, change the font to something bold that really grabs people's attention. Add a subtitle and boom. Professional cover done in seconds. Now, here's the beautiful part. That PDF that Allen AI created, you can use that PDF as is, or you can make it even better with just a few simple tweaks. The easiest option is this. Allen AI lets you download a Word document. Just click on this toggle, select DocX, and then everything's ready to be downloaded and customized instantly. Want to keep it simple? Just use the PDF that Allen AI generated. It's already professional and ready to sell. If you want to match into branding, just jump into Canva, copy your title fonts for consistency, add in a new page, and then paste those fonts. And when that's done, go to Share, download, select PDF standard, and download all pages. Now you have a professional digital product that's ready to sell. And whether you use Allen AI's PDF directly or customize in Canva, you've now created a valuable, ready to sell product in literally minutes, 5 minutes or less. Not months. Now, this is where most people get stuck. Allen AI makes it stupid simple because when we go to products, create new product, and add your product name, you upload your cover image. This displays on your website. Now you can showcase your product perfectly. Under the basic information, the title of the product, the same one that Allen AI made for you. Make it benefit-driven or pain-focused. Specificity wins. For URL slug, auto-generates based on your title like Alpha Marriage. Pricing, here's my strategy. Set it at $27 to start. Put the original price tag at $97, but then give them a nice discount. This will create urgency and value and a gap in the value perception. For status, set it to active, type, digital product. For descriptions, just feed your PDF into ChatGPT or Claude. Either of them works. Prompt it for headlines, benefits, guarantees, everything. This will get you really good sales copy that will sell the product for you. Now, under product media, upload additional images for multiple product shots. Now, this is critical. Under button configuration, you'll see redirect to page. Allen AI will generate your sales pages automatically using this website builder. Now, under delivery options, change from no delivery to digital file and upload your PDF. The delivery message is where the real magic happens. I'll show you how to 10x your business with just this in a second. Now, skip order bumps for now. Keep it simple for your first product. Hit save changes and boom. Complete product ready to sell with sales page, checkout, and delivery system built in seconds. Now, here's a secret from scaling for your first couple of sales to over 10 grand a month. You're building a simple but powerful funnel. You take the opt-in page, checkout page, and then the thank you page. This is the key here. On the thank you page, I want you to add this exact message. Congratulations on your purchase. To help you get the best results, I'm offering a 15-minute implementation call to give you a personalized action plan. And then just go make a free Calendly account. It's completely free to get started, and embed that Calendly into that thank you page. And then when people come onto the call, it can be a Zoom call, WhatsApp call, even FaceTime call, give them value. Answer their questions and really be there to serve. And after you answer the questions, offer them your higher tier program, which could be $497, $997. Because remember, people don't want information, they want transformation. Which, by the way, if you want the full enrollment script word for word of how do you do this 15-minute call, just message me on my personal Instagram account, Richard YU Allen. I don't really post there because it's my personal account, and message me the word script. And what I'll do is I'll send you over the exact word for word script that you can use to sell $497 sales like clockwork without being salesy or pushy at all. That's my free gift to you. So let me show you some numbers that will absolutely blow your mind. One sale per day of a $27 product over a 30-day period, $810. Not bad for a side hustle, right? But watch this upsell magic happen. If just 20% of those purchasers that bought your front-end product upgrade to your back-end product, which is $497, that's 6 people. And 6 sales at $497 is basically $3,000. You add $800 from the front end, $3,000 from the back end, that's $4,000 from 2 simple products. Now imagine you put that pricing at $997 or $2,997. You see how quickly these numbers can become exponential? The math gets insane. And all this is great, but you need customers at the end of it. Now the secret here, create simple content on Instagram and TikTok. Just simple 7 to 14 second videos showing tips from your product. Allen AI even has a viral content generator that makes the scripts for you. So if you don't want to do any research or come up with scripts yourself, you don't have to. Now here's a key. Post 1 time per day. Put the allen.store in the link in your bio and then watch the sales roll in. No cold calling, no paid ads needed to get started. Now, here's the action plan. Use the product builder to make your PDF in 5 minutes or less. Then create a professional Canva template to make it look a little nicer. And then use a sales funnel on allen.store using the one-click website builder. Then set up the upsell funnel with a calendar call. That way you can actually give people value and upgrade them into your $497 to $997 product. And then just make simple social media content to drive traffic. Scale from 0 to thousands per month. And if you want the full roadmap that I personally use to go from 0 to over 100 grand a month, I'm actually hosting a step-by-step AI masterclass where I'm going to break down everything way more than I possibly could in just this short video. And I'll see you on the other side.